allegedly you met with the president and you spoke to him and you told him, what are you going to do with Martin? Because if you're going to continue defending Martin,
No, I
aalis
didn't
ako.
speak to him. I was asked in an interview na...
So you never told the president na, what are you going to do with Martin? Because if you
No. I don't
defend
want
him,
to put... I cannot put the president naman on the spot. Di ba? We respect each other's views, but I cannot just go to him, what will you do with Martin? Hindi naman ganun.
Pero
di
you
ba?
said something about, and you heard the president say it, na, ano ba kayong dalawa?
Hindi, ganito yun eh.
Ilang bahay pa
Hindi,
ang-
ganito yung sitwasyon nun.
Okay.
O, eksaktong-eksakto. After lunch, pinatawag kaming dalawa. Nandyan siya, nandito.
so parang ganito,
Hindi,
triangle.
ganito. May table dyan. So, pinatawag kaming dalawa, nandyan siya, nandyan ako. Ang una sabi niya, ilang bahay ba ang, Martin, kayo ni Saldi, ilang bahay ba ang gusto niyo sa Forbes Park? Gaano karaming aeroplano, helicopter?
that is the president's asking Martin.
Yes, helicopter kailangan nyo. Gaano karaming caviar ang kaya nyong kainin, ilang Ferrari gusto nyo.
Maraming kwento yan eh. Ganun, exactly, I've heard that story.
Yes,
So
and
apparently
then,
the three of you pala yun.
yes, and then,
Dapat palang title nito, exclusive, the inside
Hindi,
story.
ito dapat podcast with, hindi, ang story nito, podcast with Bongbong, Toby, and Martin.
tapos,
Oh, grabe yun,
tapos
grabe yun,
doon niya sinabi na,
Oh, what was the response of
hindi,
Martin?
ang sabi niya, alam mo Martin, wala akong natatanggap dyan. Wala akong nagagawa, then tinuloy na niya, 2 taon na ako dito, wala akong napapagawa dahil kayo ni Saldi, kinukuha niyo yung pera ng Congress.
So he knew.
Yun yung sinabi niya. Tapos may listahan siya ng mga kinuha niya yung cellphone, may listahan siya ng flagship projects na linagay sa unprogram. Itong mga to linagay niyo sa unprogram. Tapos idingit niyo yung mga proyekto niyo. Ang pangako ni Martin noon is, we will return it sa BICAM, which did not happen. Kaya lalo siyang nagalit noong January.
Oh. That made us all silent, by the way.
So when the anomalies were discovered, how did the president react? When the ghost projects were discovered, or went out to media, or may mga nagpa-interview na very lavish lifestyle, how did the president actually reacted to this situation? Did he look at Congress or Martin as the culprit, or paano ba?
Hindi, kasi yun, nangyari yun November, di ba?
Okay.
November, so galit na galit siya. Then, hindi pa rin napasok doon sa BICAM. So, parang, di ba, nangako ka na
Toby, did you
ibabalik
realize?
mo,
Boss,
tapos hindi mo binalik, doon na talaga, I think.
Toby, do you realize that you can be summoned to be a witness to any criminal prosecution against Martin?
Okay lang, totoo. I mean, the problem is, when I'm asked a question, I cannot lie. Di ba? I cannot lie. I mean, hindi ko naman ito kinikwento openly. The reason I was forced to this, di ba, lagi kong sinasabi pinagalitan. Pero in detalye, napilitan lang akong ikwento. No, I did not want to discuss it because kung nahandyan ka, parang isip ko nga nun, bakit pa ako sinama dito? Hindi na lang kayong dalawa mag-usap,
Oo
di
nga,
ba?
pagkakasali.
Okay pa kami ni Martin noon, so hindi naman ako maka-excuse, baka sabihin niya sa akin, bakit mo naman ako
Iniwan.
iniwan doon?
Oo nga, oo nga.